Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalist kitchens. A clutter-free kitchen isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that is efficient, easy to maintain, and free of unnecessary distractions. In this video, we'll explore 10 super things that a minimalist kitchen does not need. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of what to eliminate to keep your kitchen simple, functional, and serene. Let's get started. Number 1. Many kitchens are often cluttered with an excessive amount of pots, pans, and specialty cookware that hardly ever get used. This overabundance not only takes up valuable cabinet space, but can also make it difficult to find the right tool when you need it. Adopting a minimalist approach means focusing on a few high-quality pieces that can handle various cooking tasks effectively. By doing so, you can streamline your kitchen and make it easier to cook without feeling overwhelmed by clutter. Having versatile cookware that you use regularly helps keep your kitchen organized and more enjoyable to work in. Additionally, this approach makes cleaning up simpler and more efficient, as you'll have fewer items to wash and store. Embracing this mindset can transform your kitchen into a more functional and pleasant space. Number 2, it's common to end up with an excessive number of utensils, like having 5 spatulas when you only need 1 or 2. Instead of letting your drawers overflow with duplicate items, consider streamlining your kitchen by reducing the number of utensils you keep. By sticking to just the essentials, you'll make it much simpler to locate what you need quickly and keep your kitchen drawers tidy. This approach not only prevents clutter, but also makes your cooking process more efficient. Fewer utensils mean less time spent searching and more time enjoying your meals. Maintaining a streamlined collection helps ensure that every item in your kitchen serves a clear purpose. Embracing this method leads to a more organized and functional cooking space. Number 3, we all end up with a collection of kitchen gadgets that seemed useful when we first got them, but now just gathered dust in a drawer. Items like an avocado slicer or a specific tool for peeling oranges might have sounded great initially, but they often end up being more trouble than they're worth. Instead of holding on to these one-trick gadgets, it's better to focus on versatile tools that can handle multiple tasks and are used on a regular basis. By simplifying your kitchen tools to only those that have multiple uses, you can save space and reduce clutter. This not only makes your kitchen more organized, but also makes cooking more enjoyable and efficient. With fewer gadgets to manage, you'll find it easier to keep your kitchen tidy and functional. Ultimately, embracing multi-purpose tools helps create a more streamlined and practical cooking environment. Number 4, if you have a large, high-powered blender that you only use sporadically, it might be more space than you actually need. Switching to a smaller, more compact blender can be a great solution, as it can handle everyday tasks like making smoothies and soups just as effectively. This adjustment not only frees up valuable counter space, but also helps keep your kitchen looking tidy and more organized. A compact blender is easier to store and won't dominate your kitchen counter, making it more practical for daily use. Additionally, a smaller blender often comes with fewer parts, which simplifies cleaning and maintenance. Embracing a more streamlined blender can significantly enhance the functionality and appearance of your kitchen. With less clutter, your kitchen will feel more open and inviting. Number 5, if your kitchen is cluttered with multiple sets of measuring cups for different ingredients, it might be time for a change. Instead of having an array of measuring tools that take up space, you can simplify things by using just one versatile set of measuring cups and a set of measuring spoons. This not only clears out unnecessary items from your drawers, but also makes it easier to find the right tools when you're cooking or baking. By consolidating your measuring tools, you create a more organized and efficient kitchen space. A single set is usually sufficient for all your measurement needs, making your cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. Plus, with fewer items to manage, you'll spend less time searching for the right utensil. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in keeping your kitchen tidy and functional. Number 6. A collection of mismatched containers can quickly turn your pantry into a chaotic mess, making it hard to find what you need. Instead, consider investing in a set of uniform, stackable containers that will bring order and a sense of cohesion to your kitchen. Opting for clear containers allows you to easily see what's inside without having to open them, which simplifies meal preparation and reduces search time. These containers not only look more organized, but also help keep everything in its place, making your pantry more functional and visually appealing. By choosing a set of matching containers, you create a cleaner, more streamlined look that enhances your kitchen's overall efficiency. This small change can significantly impact how easy it is to access and store your kitchen staples. A tidy and well-organized pantry makes cooking and meal planning much more enjoyable. Number 7. Excessive dishware. How many plates, bowls, and glasses do you really need? It's easy to accumulate an excessive amount of dishware, but having more than necessary can clutter your cabinets and make daily organization difficult. Instead, focus on maintaining a modest set of dishes for everyday use and store additional items for special occasions or larger gatherings. This approach prevents your kitchen from feeling cramped and makes it easier to manage your dishware. A smaller, well-chosen collection of plates and bowls simplifies both storage and cleanup, keeping your kitchen looking neat and functional. By only keeping what you regularly use, you create a more streamlined and efficient space. This thoughtful approach helps maintain a tidy kitchen and ensures that your dishware is always accessible and organized. Number 8. If your kitchen is filled with a food processor that comes with an array of attachments you hardly ever use, it may be time to rethink your setup. Instead of holding on to all the extra parts, streamline your kitchen by keeping only the essential components, such as the main bowl and the standard blade. By doing this, you'll reduce clutter and make it easier to access and use your food processor. Additional attachments that rarely see the light of day can be stored away or given up, simplifying both your storage and cooking process. This way, your food processor remains practical and efficient without overwhelming your kitchen space. A more focused selection of tools not only enhances functionality, but also keeps your kitchen organized and easy to navigate. Embracing this approach can significantly improve your cooking experience and maintain a cleaner, more manageable kitchen. Number 9. Old spices and condiments. Keeping outdated spices and expired condiments can clutter your pantry and make it difficult to find what you need. Regularly checking and clearing out these old items not only frees up valuable space, but also ensures that your pantry remains organized and functional. By getting rid of spices and condiments that are no longer fresh, you maintain a clean and efficient storage area where everything is easy to locate. This practice also helps you cook with ingredients that are at their peak flavor, enhancing the quality of your meals. An organized pantry not only looks better, but also makes meal preparation smoother and more enjoyable. Consistent upkeep in this area prevents the accumulation of unnecessary items and helps you stay on top of your kitchen supplies. Embracing this habit will keep your pantry in great shape and your cooking experience hassle-free. Number 10. Plastic storage bags. Switching from plastic storage bags to reusable silicone bags or glass containers can make a big difference in your kitchen's organization and sustainability. Plastic bags often end up tangled in drawers and contribute to unnecessary waste, which adds up over time. By opting for reusable silicone bags or glass containers, you not only reduce your environmental impact, but also keep your kitchen tidy and streamlined. These alternatives are easy to clean, durable, and help you maintain a more organized storage system. Reusable silicone bags and glass containers also provide a more consistent way to store and access your food items, making your kitchen routine smoother and more efficient. Embracing these eco-friendly options can help you cut down on clutter and create a more pleasant cooking environment. Plus, this small change contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle overall. And there you have it, 10 super things that a minimalist kitchen does not need. By eliminating these items, you can create a kitchen that is not only more functional, but also more enjoyable to use. Remember, minimalism is about intentional living, so keep only what truly adds value to your space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a minimalist lifestyle.